Hi friends, welcome to home gardening once again. So today is a very interesting thing which I have done in my terrace. So this is the pond which I have homemade utilizing the old uh, cooler water storage. So you can see it's a very simplistic design. What I've done basically is that I have reutilized this drum from the old cooler. I've stored the water in it, and there are fishes in. And I've added some fishes. There is old driftwood which I've collected from beach, and I've added some plants. And also I would like to comment that I have also created a filter. So I have reutilized the I'm not able to do so the pump, the cooler pump, which you can use a fountain pump as well, and I have been recirculating that water through this filter. So here you can see my filter. So just a sec. So I have added all kind of a media in it. So there is biomedia as well as mechanical filter, which is also oxygenating my water. And importantly, this is like a cement garden, what you say, birds, but that serves as two purposes. One is to like protect from other birds because it is an open terrace, and also it adds to the decoration. So let's enjoy the beauty of this pond. In next video I'll show you how I've breeded my guppies and I got the baby fries from this pond, and I have kept in the separate drum. Thank you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'm sure you will like it. Thank you.